Hi guys, welcome back all of you. So in this session we will see how to upload a file in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so how to upload a file in Selenium WebDriver, two methods I have already covered in previous videos. So first method that I covered is using sendKeys method. Okay, using sendKeys method you can upload the file only when type equal to file attribute is available. Okay, then if type equal to file attribute is not available, you have two options. You can use AutoIT. Okay, AutoIT tool. So here you need to create the script using AutoIT tool, and you need to integrate that script with the Selenium WebDriver, and you can run that script. Okay, for uploading file feature. So this there is separate videos on my channel for sendKeys method and AutoIT tool. So I will add a link in the description, or you can go and check on the channel videos. So in this video we will see another method. Okay, how we can upload the file using robot class. Okay, so we will see how you can use the robot class to upload the file. Let's say you are on this page, okay, and you need to upload your resume to evaluate your score. Okay, so here if you click on this browse button, it will ask you to select the file. Okay, so directly if you try to automate this with the Selenium WebDriver, you won't be able to automate. Okay, using directly using the sendKeys, as if you inspect this, you won't find any type equal to file attribute available here, right? Okay, so if it is there, you might have used sendKeys method directly. So you can use the AutoIT that I have already covered. So let's see how you can use the robot class now. Okay, so after you clicking on this browse button on this Windows pop-up, what we will do, we will paste the path of the file to be uploaded in this text box, file name. Okay, and then we will press enter button. Okay, so let's say I want to upload this file. Okay, so I will just copy the path of the file. Okay, and then I will paste it here. So how will you paste it? By pressing Ctrl V button. Okay, so just remove the double quotes. Okay, so this is the complete path of this file. Okay, on desktop, sample cv.doc. Okay, and then we will press the enter button or enter key on the keyboard. So after you press enter, you can see that file got uploaded. Okay, so same we need to automate using robot class. Okay, so in robot class we are going to use two methods. Okay, for key press we have key press method. Okay, and then you need to release the key, so there is key release method. Okay, so whenever you want to press something, press any key, you need to use the key press method. Okay, so here we need to press the Control and V key, okay, to paste the path, and then we will release the keys. Okay, both the keys using key release method. Okay, and after you paste the path, what you have to do, you need to press the, again we will use the key press method, and we will press the enter key. Right, so Control V and then enter, and that should upload the file. Okay, so before you press Control V and enter, we need to copy the path, copy of the path file into the clipboard. Okay, you cannot directly paste the path, so manually we copy the path first. Okay, after clicking on this browse button, we copy the path, right? Okay, so while doing automation, how can you do that? You need to copy the path into the clipboard first. That I will show you how to do that. So first step is copy path of the file in clipboard, and then you can press the Ctrl V and then enter button. Okay, so let me show you the code now. So I have already created this upload file maven project in previous session. So this is the class I have created, file upload file using robot class. Okay, and at the test annotation I have used so that we can run directly using testng. So in this method I will explain line by line. Okay, so here using WebDriver manager we are setting up the Chrome driver. Okay, so I hope you know how we can use the WebDriver manager to manage our different drivers, Chrome driver or Firefox driver automatically. Okay, so you don't require to set up the system property. Then we are creating the WebDriver reference and Chrome driver object here. Then we will open the naukri.com site. Okay, then we will maximize the window. Okay, driver.manage window maximize. Then we need to click on that browse button. Okay, so here I have used driver.findElement by.xpath, and this is the xpath of that browse button. So how to get the browse button xpath? Just you need to click right click, then inspect, and any of the attribute you can use here. So I have used the class attribute, class equal to browse. Okay, so this is how you can create the xpath. So after that you need to click on that button. Okay, and then we will wait for some 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, so after pressing this, close it, after pressing browse button, at least one or 2 seconds you need to wait. Okay, so we can see that window is opening instantly, but it will be good that you give some thread.sleep here. Okay, 3 seconds or 2 seconds you can give. So once that window pop-up is displayed, from here our robot class code will be comes into picture. So I will show you. First, as I already told you, we need to use the key press and key release method from the robot class. So to use these methods, you need to create the object of robot class first. Okay, so robot equal to new robot. So here we have created the object of robot class. Okay, so first before pressing Ctrl V or enter, you need to copy the path. Okay, so for copying the path of the file to the clipboard, what you have to do, you need to use the string selection class. Okay, so you need to create the object of string selection class, and you need to pass argument, okay, the path of the file as an argument to the constructor of this string selection class. Okay, so once that object is created, then you need to use this toolkit dot get default toolkit dot get system clipboard. Okay, we will get the clipboard and we will set the contents. Okay, and you have to pass the file path. Okay, so file path is object already created with this path. Okay, so you need to pass this object to this set contents file path. Okay, so that our path will be available in clipboard. Now we just have to press the Ctrl V button. Okay, Ctrl V. So how can you do that with the robot class? You need to use the robot dot key press method. Okay, so robot is our object of robot class. So key press method, and you need to give the which key you need to press. So we need to press the vk underscore control button. Okay, then we will wait for 1 second after pressing the control. Then we will press the V button. Okay, so same method, robot dot key press, then pass the vk underscore V. Okay, so this action will press control V. Right, now after pressing Ctrl V, before pressing the enter, you need to release both of these key. Right, you cannot directly press the enter. Okay, so what you can do, you can release the V first. Okay, using key release method. This is the vk underscore V. So it will release V, then it will release the control key, and now we can press the enter. So same for pressing any key, this is the method key press. So same we have used key press, then key event vk underscore enter. So it will press the enter key, and our file will be uploaded after pressing the enter. So again you need to release the whatever key you have pressed. So you will release the enter key here. Okay, so I have given 10 seconds of thread.sleep here so that we can see that file is uploaded successfully or not. Okay, and then we will print this in the console, that file uploaded successfully by using robot class. Okay, so after printing we will close our browser. Okay, this is the complete code. So very simple, just set up the Chrome driver, open naukri.com, maximize the window, then click on browse button here, then create the object of robot class so that you can use the key press and key release method. So first store the path in string selection object and pass this string selection object to the set contents. Okay, and then you can press the control then V, then release both of this key, then press enter, then release enter. Okay, and our file will be uploaded. Okay, so let us go and run this and let us see if it is working or not. So to run this, you can directly click on this run, or you can right click on the class and run as test-ng test. Okay, so it should open the Chrome and then naukri.com. Let's wait. It will maximize the window. Okay, then it has clicked on the browse button. It has pressed the path and then enter key. Okay, so it file got uploaded successfully. Okay, so after 10 seconds it will close the browser. So let us see. So our code is working fine, no failures. Okay, test got passed. So this is how you can use the robot class. So let us go and check on the Firefox as well. So to run on Firefox, you need to set up first Firefox driver here. Okay, so Firefox driver dot setup, and here we need to create the object of Firefox driver class. Okay, and save it. So same script will run on Firefox, Mozilla Firefox now. Okay, so this time we will click on this run. Let us see. Okay, yeah, working fine now. So our script is working fine on Chrome and Firefox as well. So this is how you can use the robot class. So nothing special we are doing here. We are just using the concept of pressing the keys. First you need to copy the path of the file to be uploaded, and then we will press Ctrl V and then enter button. Simple. Okay, so I hope this session will help you in the interviews. And if someone asks you how you can upload the file in Selenium WebDriver, you can explain all these three methods. Okay, so in real time we will use any one of these method. Okay, AutoIT or robot class, but in interviews you need to remember all these three. Okay, that's it for this session, guys. If you find this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel. There are more videos to come on the Selenium WebDriver, Maven, test-ng, or Docker. Also I'm going to cover Jenkins, GitHub, Git. So don't miss any of this video. Press a subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you will get instant notification once I upload the video. So thanks for your time for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.